Hi guys, this is Urmila and welcome to my channel Super Science. Today I came with the chapter Birds. Do you know about the birds? We see many birds around us. Birds such as pigeon, crow, sparrow and parrot are commonly seen. Do you feel amazed by the way they fly? Their bodies are different from any other animal. Let us find out more about them. Birds are feathered living beings. They have a pair of wings and a tail which help them to fly. Their strong muscles help them to move the wings. These muscles are called flight muscles. The body of birds are designed in a way that help them to fly. It is shaped like a boat. The birds have a pointed head and a beak which help them to cut through the air. This is called a streamlined body. This makes it easy for a bird to fly. The body of bird is light because it is made of hollow bones. On the other hand, the skeleton of a bird is very strong. This helps it to fly easily for a long period of time. The tail of bird helps it to change direction while flying. Now we see how does a bird fly. A bird lifts its body up in the air by flapping the wings. There are two ways in which birds move their wings. First one is downstroke and second upstroke. Downstroke. During the downstroke, the wings move downwards and forwards. During the upstroke, the wings move upward and backwards. When a bird lands, it spreads out its wings and glides down smoothly without much flapping. Flightless words. Some words are flightless words. There are over 9,000 different kinds of birds in the world. Most of them can fly. There are some birds that cannot fly, such as ostrich, emu, kiwi and penguin. Now see the feathers of birds. Feathers are a very important part of bird's body. They help birds to fly. Feathers also protect the body of a bird from different weather conditions. Birds' feathers are made up of protein. Birds have three types of feathers. First one is flight feather. They are large in size. These are found in the tail and wings. These help birds to lift themselves and provide balance for flight. Second one, down feathers. They grow close to the skin and keep the body warm. They are short, soft and fluffy. A newborn bird has a lot of down feathers. Third one is body feathers. They cover the streamlined body of the bird. They also give shape of the bird's body. Different birds have different types of colors of feathers. You can see in the picture flight feather, down feather and body feather. Now we study about the beaks. Birds do not have teeth. They have beaks that help them catch their food and eat it. The shape of a bird's beak depends on the kind of food it eats. They also use their beaks for picking up things such as twigs for making nests. Birds use beaks to transfer food into the mouth of their young ones. Types of beaks: short and hard beak. Birds such as sparrow, pigeon, and peacock have short and hard beak. This type of beak helps them to crush the grains and seeds. Curved beak. Parrot, parakeet, and macaw have a strong curved beak. This beak helps them to crack nuts and hard fruits. Strong, sharp, and hooked beak. Birds such as eagle, vulture, and kite hunt and feed on other animals, so they have strong, sharp, and hooked beak that help them to tear the flesh of their prey. For example, rat, squirrel, and snake. Strong and chisel-shaped beak. Birds such as woodpecker, hoop, and hummingbirds have a strong and chisel-shaped beak that help them to drill holes in tree trunks for making their nest and to pull out insects. And now, broad and flat beak. Birds such as duck and swan have broad and flat beak with small holes on the sides. These holes help them to eat worms and small plants present inside the muddy water. Muddy water flows out through the holes and leaves the worms and insects inside the beak. Next, spoon-shaped beak. A spoonbill has a spoon-shaped beak. This type of beak helps it to gather tadpoles and insects from water. Now we see feet and claws of birds. Birds have two legs to move around. Most birds have 4 toes on each foot. Each toe has curved and pointed claws at its end. Birds use their feet and claws to catch food, to protect themselves, and to sit on tree branches. Different birds have different types of feet and claws. Now see flesh-eating birds. Eagle and vulture are flesh-eating birds. They have strong and sharp claws called talons. These birds hold their prey between their talons while flying. Now see perching birds. The feet of birds such as crow, sparrow, and myna have 3 toes in front and 1 toe in back. They use their toes to hold on a branch. This is called perching. This helps them to perch or sit on high branches without falling. That is why these birds are called perching birds. Now see scratching birds. Hen, rooster, and peacock have hard and sharp claws. Their hard claws help them to scratch and dig the ground and pull out insects and worms. Now see swimming birds. Birds such as duck and goose have waved feet. There is a wave of skin between the 3 front toes. The waved feet act like oars and help the birds to swim. Now see wading birds. Water birds such as Cranes and herons have long and thin legs. The spread out toes prevent the birds from sinking into the muddy water. These help them to walk through water in search of food. This movement is called wading. Now see climbing birds. Birds such as parrot and woodpecker have two toes that point forwards and two toes that point backwards. Such toes help them climb trees. Now run throughout the chapter. Some important points of this chapter. The flight muscles of a bird help it move its wings. During upstroke, the wings move upward and backward. During the downstroke, the wings move downwards and forward. Flight feathers are large in size. These are found in the tail and wings. Down feathers cover and keep the bird's body. Body feathers cover the streamlined body of the bird. Birds use their beaks to pick up things such as twigs. Eagle and vulture have strong and sharp claws called talons. This is the chapter of bird. Hope you understand well and learn the chapter. We will see you in next video. Take care. Bye-bye.